Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the saturation of a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture, press on adjustments down below and press on saturation. It's going to be the last filter there. You can swipe to the left or to the right and you will be able to adjust the saturation. And once you are done with it, you can either continue editing or leave the project, and you can either save it or don't save it depending what you want to do. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.